Lime sugar cookies. Yeah, I didn't know about these until recently, so I wanted to try them out. These cookies are sweet, moist, and have a little bitterness from the lime zest. So if that interests you, keep on watching. This recipe was written by Karen Barker on myrecipes.com, and I will link it in the description below. I made 20 cookies with this recipe and changed out the sour cream with plain yogurt. It wasn't even a health-conscious choice, it was just what I had. We'll separate the ingredients into 3 sections. Alright, let's go. So section 1, you're going to be creaming the butter, sugar, and lime zest. Section 2, we're adding in the plain yogurt, then the egg yolks, kind of looks like something odd here, and lime juice. Section 3, we're adding in salt, baking powder, and flour, and we'll beat it until it's blended. Now let's chill the mixture for 1 hour. So, 45 minutes into chilling, I would start preheating your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Then we'll take out the dough once it's time and try to roll them into little balls. You'll roll the balls into the sugar and onto the baking pans. So here's my mistake. It said to roll them into 1-inch balls. Yeah, I didn't do that. I got a little greedy and I started rolling them into 2-inch balls, which led to them expanding into each other, which you'll see later. Hee These cookies do expand, so make sure to space them evenly, unlike what you see here. We'll bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 minutes for browned bottoms. So it's just kind of crispy on the bottom and to the sides. Not aesthetically pleasing, but they're still good. They're also very easy to break apart. If you want crispier cookies, bake them for an additional 2 to 5 more minutes, and again, it depends on your oven, so watch it carefully. I'm not really sure why the bottom and top broke off like that, but I mean, it doesn't matter to me. The citrus from lime zest and sweetness of sugar complement each other well in this cookie. Yeah, I would definitely make this again, but put in more lime juice because I love really strong citrus aromas and flavor. My family and friends really seem to enjoy these, so that's why I'm just sharing this with you guys. Like and subscribe for similar content. Check out my Instagram and Facebook for more recipes and updates. Bye bye! Thanks for watching!